Autonomous system number 65002 is easier to configure. Because we only have one router, we are not going to use autonomous system path. We can simply use weight. That's a lot simpler to do. So show run begin BGP. We've been told that traffic should go via ISP router 5, then ISP router 2, and then ISP router 7. So here first, then here, and then here. This is what our configuration looks like at the moment. What I'll do actually is type show run section BGP. There's our configuration again. So router BGP 65002, neighbor 8181, weight. I'll set that to 200. Neighbor 8171, weight. Set to that one to 180. Neighbor 81121, weight set that to 150. So show IP BGP, we see some weight values but not others, so clear IP BGP star soft. Notice now we see weights for different neighbors. So when traffic is sent to 17.1.1.1, it should go via ISP router 5, which it does. If the neighbor relationship to ISP router 5 goes down, it should use ISP router 2. So neighbor 8181 shut. Notice it's going via ISP router 2. And if that neighbor is shut down, it should go via ISP router 7, which it does. Notice over there. Do that again. Notice over there. But once again, if we no shut those neighbors and do the trace again, it should go via 8181, which it does. So weights have solved the first part of the problem. We are forwarding traffic out of this path, then this path, and then this path. But we also need to manipulate the traffic sent back to the autonomous system. And we're told to use MED here. MED only applies to a single autonomous system. So we can only apply MED here. It won't work with this autonomous system. So we have to use MED and as-path-prepending to make this work. So router BGP 65002, neighbor 8171, route map, set MED, and I'll say set it to 200. The lower the MED, the better the route. So this is opposite to local preference. So for 8181, I'll set it to 100. We are basically advertising routes to this autonomous system with the MED or metric value set. And that manipulates how that autonomous system sends traffic back to us. So set MED 200 route map. So route map set MED 200. Set metric, which is MED, to 200. Route map set MED 100. Set metric to 100. Clear IP BGP star soft. Let's have a look on ISP router 2. Here's ISP router 2, show IP BGP. Notice we see MED values for this network, 17.120. So MED values are set accordingly. So back on customer router 1, let's trace to 17.122. Which path is it going? It's going to 17.113, which is customer router 5. Then it goes to ISP router 6. Then it goes to ISP router 7. Then to customer router 3. So it's still preferring this path into the autonomous system. So we need to change that by prepending our autonomous system number. Notice on ISP router 7, show IP BGP. This router is not seeing MED. MED is stripped on eBGP relationships. So we don't see the MED that was advertised from customer router 3 to this autonomous system. MED is non-transitive. It won't go from one autonomous system to another. So we need to set as-path on customer router 3. So router BGP 65002, neighbor 81.12.1, route map as-path-prepend out. We're going to manipulate the as-path sent to this router. So route map as-path-prepend, set as-path-prepend 65,002, 65,002, 65,002. Clear IP BGP star soft. So on ISP router 7, show IP BGP. Notice we are seeing the autonomous system number prepended multiple times for this route. We're also seeing that for routes advertised through the custom autonomous system. We don't actually want routes advertised through the custom autonomous system, so we need to fix that as well. But before we do that, notice on customer router 1, notice when I trace to 17.122, traffic goes to 17.113, customer router 5, then to ISP router 6, then ISP router 4, ISP router 3, ISP router 5, customer router 3, customer router 4. So it's going via this path. We are forcing traffic to go through this autonomous system, and within this autonomous system, we are forcing it to take this path rather than this path. So we've accomplished what we set out to do, but as mentioned, the customer routers are actually advertising other customer networks through them, and you don't actually want to do that.